안 가서요.
오늘 오남대학교 안 갔어요?
아니요.
다음 주에 가요? 다음 주에
음, 당초에 예. 네. But 사실만 여기
네.
일했어요.
아, 여기서 집에서 일했어요?
집에서. 아하, 집에서 일했어요.
Okay. Before continue, I would like to ask you a request actually. This is my personal Zoom account, which is a 40 minutes maximum. So once this finish, if I want to join again, I have to wait 20 minutes. So in the case, I want you to send me your Zoom link. So I will enter yours and is that possible? Can you record it for me? Yeah, for my class purpose. Wait a
음,
minute. Actually, you know what? No, not necessary to record it. Yeah, no, it's okay. I will try to finish in 40 minutes, but let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, okay. Let me share my screen. So for these 40 minutes, so today we're gonna do three activity, which is we're gonna check your homework, vocabularies, and everything. And we're gonna check the script and try to guess the answer. And second activity, we're gonna do writing activity,
스키.
learning about theory. And the last activity is actually we're gonna do writing. Yeah. So 40 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes. That's how I'm gonna design. Yeah. So far so good. Any question?
질문 소개.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one then, the writing first, and after we're gonna
Ready?
jump. Mhm. Yeah, your homework after this one. Yeah, theory first. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. So I'm going to read this part. Normally, the listening, reading, we don't read this part. We just skip. Yeah, because we already know what we have to do because we learn from the topic one. However, writing is a new category for topic two. Oh, are you looking for the page number, by the way?
음,
Ah, yes, it's 20. Mm. Yeah, so it's a new category. So we need to see everything. So let's see what this writing part is expected from students, what they're expecting. So most difficult reason of the writing is the punctuation. And
이렇게?
the punctuation about the 받침, wrong 받침 or wrong vowel, put the wrong consonant. This about the punctuation. Yeah.
Wow. How to spell it in English?
Punctation. I will write down for you. Punctuation. Yeah. Punctation. Punctuation. Oh, I think I put the wrong spell. Sorry.
But
Pun.
no, it's a function with F, no?
Not the function is a punctuation. Yeah.
It's a function, no?
맞춤법 영어. Punctuation. Start with a P. Yeah. Let me show you. Orthography. No, that's not the word we're looking for. Punctuation. Okay, let me search in Konglish. Punctuation. Yeah.
Ah,
Punctuation.
puntuación.
punctuation.
Puntuación. A ver, espérame.
ATION. Punctuation. This one. Yeah.
Puntuación. Punctuation. But it's punctuation.
Yeah. So from the writing, people think the student think it is so difficult. First reason is a punctuation. Yeah. But the Magdalena, your punctuation is fine. Yeah, you're doing well, actually. Yeah, so far what we done the writing, so you don't have to worry about punctuation. Yeah. But the second one we have to worry about, which is the 어휘력, which is a vocabulary. How many vocabulary you know. That's the second reason writing is the most difficult. Next one, ability for the syntax. Ability for syntax, you know, the subject, object, verb, these types of order of a sentence. That's also one of the reasons that most difficult for the writing. And sentence expression ability. Sentence expression ability. This will be one of the difficult part for you as well. Yeah. So do you remember we studied about the Korean idiom, right? So actually from the writing, if you use the idiom, what this book recommended, you are going to have a high chance to have a high score. So for you particularly, Magdalena 씨, two things is the most important for you. First one, 오히려, vocabulary. Second one, sentence expression ability. 문장, sentence, 표현, expression, 능력, ability. Sentence, expression, ability. Yeah. Those types of a thing is necessary for the writing. That is why the student think writing is the most difficult. Yeah. And to continue. As a foreigner, when they trying to express their thinking in Korean, of course, they are going to have a pressure. And from the writing from topic 2, on the writing section, you are going to receive 4 questions. Do you remember yesterday I mentioned? 2 questions is about they're going to give you the written sentence or written word or information. And you're going to, summary or analyze or depends on. But the important part is that they're going to give you the information and you're going to deal with that information. Second part, that was a two question at the beginning, and the rest of the 2 question is a pure writing, which is you are going to express your thinking, introduction, main idea, conclusion, you know, follow this normal writing structure. Well, you deal with the essay, your student essay 1,000 times, so you know what I'm talking. Yeah. So that's the difficult part. Okay, we have to writing from the beginning. They just gonna ask you what you have to write. That's all. And I mentioned 2 questions for that, right? First question is we're gonna check together, but I don't remember exactly right now. I think the first writing question is writing like a 250 words or something, and the last question is like writing how many, like 800 words or something. Yeah, we're gonna check anyway together. Yeah, it's a different amount of the letter how much you have to write. Yeah, anyway, and yeah, they repeating here about the sentence structure of the sentence, making structure of the sentence, 2 question, and make a paragraph, 1 question, and make an article, 1 question. Simply like an essay, not really article, essay. Yeah, and the 51, 52, question 51, 52, yeah. You know, the listening, last questionable listening was a 50. So continue, 51, 52. This is talking about those 2 questions, the beginning. Whatever information given, you making summary. So following the context of the article, what they given, yeah, and the 1 or 2 sentence you have to write, and the number 53, 54 is about the normal life, something that related with a normal life you have to write, but logically you have to write. That's the point, logic. Okay, so far so good. Any question? Okay, so you already know the basic. You're going to receive the 4 questions and you know what you have to do with those 4 questions. Okay, so now the evaluation part. Oh, sorry. ¿Qué pasó? Ay, no. Yeah. So evaluation part. About the question, many evaluators will evaluate and giving a score. And what they trying to check from your writing is vocabulary and the grammar, how student to use it, like checking the level of what grammar they use it. Like let me give you an example. 밥을 먹었어요. 그리고 후식도 먹었어요. Like that. 후식 is a dessert. Yeah? So 밥을 먹었어요. 그리고 후식을 먹었어요. We can develop this sentence a more better way. Like this. 저는 밥을 먹고 후식을 먹었어요. Make it one sentence. Do you remember? Yeah, we talked about this many times. What was the condition that your sentence looks fancy and nice? What condition I mentioned? How are you gonna?
The use of the connection of
Yes.
into the sentence, no?
In general way to say, yes, make sentence as long as you can. That's how it looks beautiful sentence, yeah, in Korean. And the second option, do you remember which word we should use more? Korean, Konglish, or Chinese Korean? Which one?
Chinese Korean.
Exactly, yeah. As much as you can using Chinese Korean. For example, 책을 읽어요. Read a book. Instead of that, we say 독서해요. You know, 독서, reading a book. But that's based on Chinese. So I will write down that as well. Yeah. 책을 읽어요. Instead of this, how we say 독서를 해요. Like this is the word 독서.
It's completely different.
It is. Meaning is exactly the same. However, completely different because this is using as a sustantivo, pero tienes meaning of the verbo reading a book. So translation will be to do reading a book like that. But this one, here's a verb, right? Read book like that. This is a way more fancier way to say Korean Chinese word. Okay. So that's what the evaluator is going to check about the 어휘, vocabulary, and grammar, 사용 수준, like a level of using. And the continue. 짜임새 있는 글쓰기 수준, the level of the writing that consistency. Yes, consistency of the writing. Not only consistency, 짜임새, which means like a naturality as well. Naturality, consistency, everything that what make your writing natural. Yeah, we call it 짜임새. Compact is also including that context actually. Yeah. And writing is a 4 question, but everything is written question, which is there's a no choosing. Yeah, you have to write. Because of that other category, more than other category, you need to put more effort. Well, obviously, yeah. And the continue. The following under the information is we summarized as about the frequent topics of the writing. Yeah. And the method that you able to do good writing is just to practice. But we don't have to worry about it. We've been practicing how many years? Since I met you from the Now Center, yeah, so
And before that.
Exactly, before that you were keep writing as well, yeah. Well, I just want to say one thing about this part, Magdalena. Do you remember I think last year, September, we having class in my house and we ate Korean food together, remember that moment? I also mentioned one thing about your writing. Do you remember what was it? Something that you have to improve it.
I have improved the size of the letters in the one line. I guess I improved very well.
Very good. Yeah. So yes. Yeah, really good. That's a beautiful writing, Magdalena. You improve.
And also I can do faster.
That's lovely. That's lovely. Very good. At the end of this part, I'm going to show you your writing from the I don't know, 2017 or 18. Well, I'm not sure when, but yeah, we're gonna compare your writing long time ago. Because
Probably it will be very, very horrible.
yeah, it will be interesting to observe like how much you improved it from your writing. Yeah? It will be exciting part. Yeah, I'm gonna be so proud of you. Yeah, anyway, continue. So the only the able to improve your writing skill is just a practice, only practice. So under the information, the subject we're giving, read the article following those subjects and write a lot and read a lot. And that's the way you can have a good score for the writing. So let's see here. Actually, many of the vocabulary are repeating from the listening, actually. Yeah. So those things, I'm gonna quickly tell you the meaning. So you can type it your computer or you can write down with your pen, whatever. I'm just gonna give you the meaning right now. Or when I give you the recorded video, you can listen and write down again. So, well, depends on. You can write down right now or later when I send you the video link, you can listen again and you can write down. Yeah. So let's start. 가정생활 is a house lifestyle. 음식, 요리, food and cook. 집, 주거, 집, house, 주거, life. Sorry, the house, how to say, living in the house, 주거. Normally we using as a verb 주거하다, living in the house. Yeah. 이사, moving the house for the living purpose. 초대, invitation. 방문, visiting. 연애, dating. 결혼, marriage. So far, so good?
But would you like to write that or what? I couldn't understand what I will do.
You can
Like,
write down right now, but
I would like to write now.
right now, not the watching video again and do it later. You don't want to do right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, I just read it this part. Let me repeat it. 가정생활. You can write in Spanish, whatever you can write faster. Yeah, will be great. 가정생활. House lifestyle. Lifestyle of the house. Can I continue? 음식. Very good. 음식, 요리, food and cook.
Cocinar.
집, 주거, house and the living in the house. House and living. And the 이사, moving the house for living purpose. And 초대, invitation. And 방문, visiting. 연애, 결혼, dating and marriage. Tell me when you're ready. Okay, next category is a 건강, health.
Yeah.
Only 2 words here. 운동, exercise, 건강 관리. 관리 means maintain, like a control or maintain. And here 건강, which is a health to maintain, 관리, 건강 관리. You can put many different ways, like checking the health or taking care of the health or maintaining the health or taking care of the health. Yeah, many different meaning. Tell me when you're ready.
교육.
교육, education. 학교 생활, lifestyle of the school lifestyle. And continue. 친구, 동료, 친구, friend, 동료, co-worker, coworker. And the 선후배 관계, this is normally using for the school as well, not really workplace, school. 선배 후배, do you remember 선배 후배? 선배 is a student that have a high grade than me, 선배, but has to be same school. 후배 is a low grade than me. 후배. 관계, relation, relation of the high grade student to low grade student in same school. And the continue, 유학. 유학 is, this is the genuine word for the studying in overseas. We saw the another format of studying in overseas. Do you remember? Do you, perhaps you memorized maybe, or do you remember how to say?
Okay. Study in overseas.
But do you remember study in overseas? Another meaning to say study in overseas, but focus on the study language. Do you remember?
Oh, no me acuerdo qué. I have to open the PDF. So come on. Oh, Hak Yonsu?
Very good. 어학 연수. Yes, well done, well done. So like this, if you know this word, you can use it for the writing if they talking about the education. Well, if it's a same topic, if they talking. Okay, continue. 교육제도 is a system of the education system. Well, from the education part here, in this category, in this top themes, this is the most difficult themes. Okay, continue. 뉴스 시사 문제. News 시사 is the, what is it? The topic of the news, actually. 시사 is a topic of the news. News is in general way to call news. 시사 is a topic of the news. Yeah. 문제, question or problem. But here translated as a problem, which is a problem of the topic that news is showing up. So what words we have? Continue. 사건, accident, 사고, also accident, 재해, also accident. We have a 3 word for accident. Ooh, so let me tell you what is the differences. Okay. So 사건 is an accident, but including incident as well. Accident, but incident, both are fine. And second 사고 here, 사고, this is a normally talk about the accident that human made it. Accident that human made it. Yeah, well, then you can ask me, oh, but you just told me the first one is an accident and incident, but those are the human made as well. Then what are the differences? Yeah, actually in this second 사고, it can be including human-made, which is, I'm talking about the natural disaster as well. I mean, well, we have to see deeply. The natural disaster, human-made it as well, because we are keep like killing the environment, you know? That is why natural disaster keep happening, but well, in a deep context. But anyway, 사고, including the human-made disaster, and if you want to separate, just, you know, the natural disaster.
But what is the natural disaster?
Mexico City have an earthquake, right? This thing. Or hail.
What is that? Sago or check? Or what is
사고.
Sago. Okay. So then, what is the? I couldn't understand very well. Sakon. What is that?
Incident. Accident. Incident.
Okay. Sago is accident by natural
accident or human-made accident. All of them.
Okay. Okay.
And the last one, 재해. This is only talking about the natural disaster. Natural disaster. Yeah, that's it actually. Natural disaster, nothing else. And the next one, 환경 문제 is an environmental problem. Environmental problem, like a global warming, or what else we have? Like an earthquake, yeah, for example, or the natural disaster. Well, can be, yeah, 환경 문제, you know. Anything can be about the natural, the something disaster, causing the natural disaster. Next one, 공공장소 is a public location. Public location, talking about the park or public area, like a square, for example. Yeah. And the next one here, inside of the bracket, 기관 is a government facility. Government facility. In, of course, talking about the public area, government facility. Next one, easy one, shopping. Yes, shopping. So move on to the next one directly. Media, talk about the media. Media, like a TV, computer, tablet, anything, media. What they are broadcasting, media. Yeah. So here, continue. 컴퓨터와 인터넷, computer and internet. Continue. 대중매체, like a public resources. Talking about the internet, or maybe the Netflix can be, or anything. Yeah. 신문, newspaper. And the next
대중매체, 대중매체, what is that?
Public media. Like
okay.
public, yeah, public resources, public media. But talking about the media category, yeah, yeah, like a example, if I give you like a, yeah, like a Naver, Netflix, or Google, or yeah, anything like that. News also 대중매체 can be. Continue. 생활 방식, the way to living a life. The way to living a life. 방식 is a method. Remember method? So method of the lifestyle. Yeah, method of the lifestyle. So what kind of a method we're talking? First one, 전화, phone call. Phone call. 모임, gathering. Any types of a gathering we are talking. Yeah. Graduation, student gathering, just a reunion of the friends, or just a meeting friends, also 모임, or teachers meetings, also 모임. Yeah. Or from your school, you have to meeting with the teachers. That's also 모임, any types of it. And next one, 저축. Very rare in Mexico because do you remember I was impressed by something about you are writing a book of something? About the money book. We call the money book. Yeah. Money book. Yeah. So 저축 is a saving of money. Saving of money. Saving of money. Next one, 교통. Yeah. Traffic. Next one, 문화 차이, cultural differences. Next one, 일상생활, normal lifestyle or normal life routine. Well, well-known word we say
it's daily life, no?
Daily life, exactly. Yeah. Did you ever saw the YouTube video or the TikTok or Instagram about the vlog? Vlog, in Korean we say vlog. That kind of thing. 봉사, volunteer work. 봉사, volunteer work. Next one, 한국 생활, Korean lifestyle. Next one, 외모 and 복장. 외모, appearance, 복장, appearance, but for the clothing. Again, first the 외모, appearance in general, which is your face, but the 복장 is the appearance for the clothing, like a clothing style. Next one, 성격. Ooh, we learned this a long time ago. 성격, personality, personality. If you remember, but there was so many personality, express, like to be intimidated or to be active, to be shy, those kind of things. Next one, 감정, emotion, emotion. Next one, 날씨와 계절. We know this one. 날씨, weather, 계절, season, 기후. Another way to say season. A weather, sorry, 기후 is a weather. Yeah. Next one, 예술. My favorite one, arts. 예술, arts. And continue. 공연과 감상. 공연, performances. Any types of performances you can think about in the movie theater or the BTS concerts, anything, performance, whatever performance. 감상 is same as a 보다, 보다, to see, right? But the difference is 감상하다 and 보다. 감상하다 is to see, but artistic way. Do you remember that verb? 감상하다, artistic way. Next one, 영화, movie, as we know. Can we move on? Ready? Next one, 인사 is a greeting, greeting. One of the easy category, by the way, 인사, greeting. From the greeting, 감사 및 사과, 감사, thankful, thanks, 및, or 사과, apologies, thanks and apologies. Continue, next one, 일과 직업, work and occupation, work and occupation. 직장 생활, work lifestyle, work lifestyle. Continue, 직업, occupation, repetition here again. Yeah, 직업, occupation. 진로와 취업. 진로 is a direction of the future. Direction of the future. But normally we're using this direction of the future in the high school a lot. Because a high school, they even have a consultation of the 진로 for the student when they are in the 9th grade. Because a 9th grade, after that, they have to have a kind of an EXCOBA, for the having, no, EXCOBA is not a good example. The SAT exam in America. Yeah, like that evaluation exam. And that's what Korean students depend on the life. Yeah, they study so hard for that. Yeah. And that it depends on the score. It will be decided by which university you can enter or not. All the process, which university they can go or what kind of a job they want. This is what normally we using 진로 for the direction of the future. Yeah, for the student most of the time. Continue. 취업 is we learned yesterday. 2 days ago. Yeah, 취업. Yeah, having a job.
Really good.
Having a job, 취업. And the inside of a bracket, 면접 is an interview. Interview. And continue, 동료 is in English we call the colleague. Another way to say is a co-worker. 동료 간 is a between. 갈등 is a conflict, which is a conflict between your co-workers, which is you are having in Mexico City, your co-workers. Yeah, you told me. That's the one. 업무, work, simply. 업무 is a work. 업무 is a work. So here's a question then. What is the difference between 업무 and the 일? 일 is a general way to call the work, but when someone say 업무, they are categorized for which section of the work, what part of the work, and the what direction of the work. Yeah. So 업무 is talking about more details of the work. We're using this word. But we can using just the work. I'm going to work. I'm having a work, or the I hate work. We just say 일. So far, so good. Can you move on?
No. Okay.
취미와 여가, 취미, hobby, 여가, leisure. Hobby and the leisure. And the continue, 문화생활. 문화생활. Cultural life. Repetition. We saw 문화생활 from here. Normal life, which is here. 문화생활. Where did we saw? Where is it? We saw today 문화생활. Sorry, 문화 차이. That's what it saw. Cultural differences. 일상생활, 문화 차이 here. But together, 문화생활. Yeah, 문화생활. Yeah, which is a cultural lifestyle of the culture. Next one. Question? So far so good?
No, I was thinking in 문화생활. I don't know. I'm not sure if I used to write in my book to account book, but I divide in several things. For example, chic B is the one column. Another column is Qton B. Another column is Sensual B. 문화생활 B. It's right? It's correct?
Yes, that's correct. 문화생활 B, exactly.
Okay.
And the last part, 휴일 is a vacation or national holiday, everything included. Vacation or national holiday. Continue. 여행, 숙박, 여행, travel, 숙박. How many nights, how many days? How many nights, how many days you're gonna stay? Yeah, in the hotel, for example. Continue. 휴일, repetition, yeah, vacation, but doesn't matter for national holiday or weekend, yeah, for the vacation. Next one, 방학, vacation from the school. Vacation from the school. So far, so good.
It's good.
This session gonna be ending in 10 seconds. So let me quickly tell you. We're gonna continue from this